everyone. We're back from Utah.
Markel
and Jess's. And now we're heading to Walmart to get some groceries. I have no food. And also, I just barely threw away all of the kids' crayons and markers because they were in pieces and a mess. And
yeah, because I was trying to get my shit and then it spilled.
yeah.
So
yeah, that happened.
Them
Layla was getting ready to color a picture and knocked all of them down, and I was helping clean them up, and then I was like, these are all broken. Every single thing is broken. Most of the markers and tablets. So we definitely need some new ones because the kids spend hours and hours and hours coloring and drawing and all of those things. So
mostly
arts and crafts. Arts and crafts.
Me too.
Yeah, especially.
And
really.
you are
I'm quite the artist.
And then, yeah, we need food. So, everyone think of a dinner idea. Because you get to know how I feel about that. I'm so
Taco
sick of thinking of dinner. You know what is a really good dinner idea? Maybe we'll do this tonight. It's actually like Gage's favorite. Is just getting like little bags of Doritos and then you just cook up like ground beef or any type of hamburger and add taco seasoning and then just do like your favorite toppings for tacos. Or any chips. Yeah, you could do Fritos. I mean, I wouldn't say potato chips.
I like potato chips.
Really?
I mostly break my Doritos
Takis would be so good.
and just do it.
Oh yeah. Yeah. Anyways, you just mix it all up in the bag. Such an easy idea and so fun.
And we put the stuff in there, and then we eat it with a spoon.
I know, it's so good, huh? So anyways, that's what we're doing today. And then we need to hurry because then Brayley has to go to work. Right?
I can't.
So I'm gonna drop you off at work and then I'm gonna also go and clean this car. It is so disgusting.
Car wash.
I can't believe it.
Are
Car
taking me to
wash.
work like right now?
Right now?
Like after groceries? Like we're not coming back home after?
No, we can. Car wash time.
Car wash.
Long overdue. It's so bad.
This is my favorite.
This is your favorite one?
Oh, no. What? The window's Mom.
Also, Brayley spilled all of our Starbucks drinks in my car. So, you can imagine. Not good. So, it's getting a good scrubbing today.
Oh,
Then vacuum and scrub everything when we get home. The kids have been begging to come to the car wash forever. Why? You just love it?
I mostly like the gold one.
You mostly like the dark one? We made it home. Got the car vacuumed. While I was vacuuming, I realized that I need to shampoo my carpets in my car. I mean, one, because they stink from the Starbucks, and they're just really dirty. It's not clean after the vacuuming, so I'm gonna have to shampoo those. I do have like a little Bissell. I've talked about it before, but it's been a really long time ago because I used to use them on my couches. What couches? Oh, my blue couch, it's upstairs. I used to use it on there. But now we don't use it a ton. So I use it like to spot clean, but then I got like a smaller handheld one that I've never used. So Instagram, it was an Instagram ad. We got some crayons, and we got some markers, and we got some pencil boxes to put everything in. And the kids are excited about using it. Okay, I'm gonna open it so we don't rip the top, and then you can.
Can I open this one?
Yeah, just a second. Frozen pizza for dinner because tired. I'm so tired. I think I overheated, so I'm not feeling very good. Also, I haven't been sleeping, so I think it's like a combination of things that my body's just like, no. And my brain is like, no, it's time to go to bed. So we're gonna color for a little while, have some dinner, and then hopefully go to bed early. You think you're sneaking those? They look so good. Brayley and Layla picked out some cupcakes, and they are calling my name.
I want a toy.
You really want a toy? The kids each picked out a toy, but they have to earn it. So they've been doing little chores, and they have to do a few more before they get their toy. So I'm not happy about that, but I will take them back if you don't do your chores.
Take them back.
Take them back.
Yes.
It's the next day, and Brayley is getting ready for a date, so I am just doing her hair. She had one hairstyle in mind. It didn't work out the way that she wanted. So we're trying again. Did She was going to do one side braided into a bun, but then we decided to do 2 braids and just 2 pigtails. I think that this is really cute because she's going to the fair for her date. We both loved how it turned out. Your turn. Are you gonna pull hers out? Cute. I just got a new rug. It's so fluffy and comfy and awesome. What do you guys think? I wanted something a little lighter in here. Like my floors, they're tile. Oh, why isn't this focusing? What? My floors are just like super, super cool tone. They're gray, but they have like bluish in there. I don't know if you can tell. And then there's like a little tiny tan, like a little bit of warmth in there. Hi. So I wanted to get a rug that would pull that warmth out of the tile. Does that make sense? Just to make this room feel a little like, I don't know, more like comfy and cozy and warmer and inviting. Anyways, and I needed a new rug. I've loved this rug that I have underneath, and I actually think that I'm going to just go and have it cleaned and then maybe put it upstairs or somewhere else because I do love it, or just save it to switch out because I don't know. And I also got this one. So tell me what you think about that. I don't know if I like why isn't this focusing? What the heck is going on? Okay, I don't know if there's something going on with the focus, but I did get this new rug because I don't know, I was just kind of thinking, I was thinking cozy is what I was really thinking. I want everything to seem like cozier. So I was actually thinking of turning this the other way to kind of like make this space also more inviting. And Braylee didn't like that, so then I turned it and she was like, oh yeah, I really love that. But then I wasn't sure if I just maybe liked the rug there. I had this one there before. Like maybe I do just kind of like this. So I don't know, let me know what you think. I would love to hear your opinions. So anyways, I'm gonna move this rug out. This is what it was before, if you can't remember. Super cute rug. I love like the vibe. I love this rug so much. That's why I've had it forever and ever, just because I super love it. But I just wanted, like I said, to add a little more warmth in here. And I did also just get this rug for under the table in here, and I love it. This rug needed to be replaced for like over a year. It was like a blue rug. I also really loved that rug, but it was like completely worn out. It had tassels. The tassels were disgusting. They were braided at first, then they all came undone, and I tried to rebraid them, but they just wouldn't stay braided, and I ended up cutting them off. And when I first cut them off, I just like went right to like the seam, and I should have probably left at least like this much of, so it just looked frayed, but I cut it all off and then it just looked so bad. But I don't like buying rugs. I don't like trying to decide what rug to get. And so I kept looking at rugs and thinking, oh yeah, maybe this one, I don't know. I was trying to find warmer tones and something lighter, but not too light. And the rug under my table was so great because it hid everything. It hid every like spill and mess. I could clean it really easily, and it was just great. And that, I mean, for a family of 6, that's a must. And I do worry about this rug being a little light. I mean, all of the rugs, especially that one by the door. I just don't think that I'm gonna leave that there. I don't know. Let me know what you think. Hi.
I thought it would be right here.
You thought it would be right here? It will be right here. I'm gonna move the old rug, and it needs to be cleaned really bad. And then put this one there because we're so excited because it's so comfy.
This is super soft. Come tell him it.
Yeah.
Guys, look what I can do.
What is it? Oh. Oh wow, that's really great.
Like it? You think
Fantastic.
it's a pretty choker?
It is a pretty choker. How does it feel?
Good.
Not too tight?
Mm-mm.
Make sure it doesn't feel too tight. Just like why? Why is this stuff behind here? So disgusting. This is why we can't have nice things. Everyone's a slob. Everyone's a slob. We let an outfit change. Nice. Oh man. I did just dust my blinds. That really needed to be done, so that was great. I really love this rug. I'm really, really happy with it. I think the color is beautiful. I do need to vacuum it so that it kind of fluffs it all up, but what do we think about this rug with it? Yes, no? I don't know if it's like sized right. I think if we want to do like the layered look, maybe that rug would need to be bigger. But do you like the layered look? Are the colors too similar? Is it the wrong size? I don't know. I just put it on really quickly to see because it was just sitting here. And I kind of like this vibe. I don't know. Okay, I'm gonna get everything vacuumed and I'll put back together and then I'll show you. So cute. Okay, I decided the rug in the middle was a definite no, but this is what the rug looks like in here and I couldn't be happier. I think that this rug did exactly what I was hoping it would do. I think that this space looks a lot brighter and just more cozy and everyone really likes it. So that is what it looks like. I decided to put the rug that I had in the middle, I don't know what I was thinking, in Layla's room for now. So we'll see if we like it in there. Braylee also kind of wanted it. So anyways, there it is. Let me know what you think about the rugs. Thanks for watching. Bye.